How to find removed friends on Snapchat. Hey guys, so let's just open up the Snapchat app right here. And let's click on our Bitmoji icon at the top left corner. And from here, you should be able to see this gear icon. So tap on it and it will take you to the settings page. Now let's scroll down at the very bottom and you should be able to see the My Data option right above the Logout option or anywhere from the Account Action section. So tap on My Data. And from here, you should be asked to enter your password, a verification code, or any information related to your account so that you will have access to your data on Snapchat. Now from here, you can scroll down at the very bottom part of this page and you should be asked to enter your preferred email address to submit your request in downloading your data. Now, once you have entered your email address right here, the submit request option should pop up. So just tap on submit request and you can wait a couple of minutes and you should be emailed through you should be notified through your email that your data is ready. And this part of the page should show up on this page. Now, I already submitted a request, so this is already showing. So just tap on the zip file right here and it should take you to a specific browser. So just click on download, go to the downloads tab and click on the zip file that you just downloaded and it will take you to the My Files app on your iPhone. So just tap on the zip file and it should extract it to a folder. So just wait for it and open up the folder and then go to the HTML folder. And from here, you should be able to see an HTML file that is named friends. So just look for that and it's right here. So open that up. And to find your friends or removed friends on Snapchat, you should be able to see this deleted friends section. So you can go through that list and find the friends that you have removed or unfriended on Snapchat. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.